afternoon and welcome to the channel. Today I am back out on the Himalayan, aka Doug, as he's now been named, because he goes Doug, 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 Doug when we're out on the trails, so I thought Doug was a really fitting name for him. Anyway, I've waited most of the day for the storms to blow through. There's been some massive thunderstorms like last night and stuff, so I just wanted to let those pass through this morning. It's looking pretty clear now, purely to try something completely new out. I'm going to keep it to myself for now, but keep on watching because we're going to test a new bit of gear on this ride. I'm quite excited and nervous all at the same time, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to stick only local today, just around the Cotswolds, do a few of the trails, and find somewhere suitable to try this new piece of kit out. So, as I usually say, come along for the ride and I'll see you along the way. So we are midway through September and the autumn colours are just starting to show, especially in the beech trees or something or other, I don't know. But yeah, I've just noticed it while I'm riding up Fish Hill at the moment, and oh goodness me, the thought of the winter. Oh, I don't think any of us like that thought, well, unless you go and move abroad for 6 months, but yeah, I shall look forward. I love the autumn colours, it is amazing, and it's especially beautiful around these parts, so I'll be sure to bring you out for a ride and show you some of the autumn weather that we get this way. It really is stunning, especially on a day like today. So I don't know how the lanes are going to be today. Like I say, there's been a lot of rain over this way. There's going to be a bit of squogginess, I think, at some point. So I don't know how much I'm going to ride the trails. I've kind of got this in road going mode at the moment, so I've got a little bit too much pressure in my tyres, so I might have to actually stop and just let a little bit out, fighting a bit over these stones, making it a little bit hard work. Again, super nervous about being on the trail. It's been a little while again, and you can't help but your shoulders go up and you go all tense, and then you just got to remember to kind of let go of the bars a little bit and let the bike find its own way. Oh, somebody walking. They're lovely. Perfect afternoon for it. Thank you. See, why do walking when you can do it on a bike? I've just stopped roadside to show you this new piece of kit. I've looked for somewhere interesting to show you this new piece of kit, but I'm just lacking and the day is ticking on, so it's quite a nice place to show you. So let's see what you think. you go, the DJI Mini 2. That's my latest purchase. Air ambulance just going over behind me. Yeah, so I am going to be using that a lot more. That was just like a little practice run. That's a first. Actually, no, the second time flying it, the first time properly flying it. And I'm just astounded at its capabilities. Unbelievable. So easy to fly. And I think for a first time user like that, it's got so many built-in safety features. So it's you'd have to do something really silly to go wrong with it. So yeah, suddenly the rides are going to have a whole different concept to them. I hope to get it out a lot. I shall ride throughout the winter, probably not as regularly, but I'll still be doing uploads, so keep an eye out for that. Anyway, I'm going to have an easy ride home now. I've done the big reveal on the drone, and yeah, let's get on home. Do you ever wish you got your drone out a little bit further down the road? Oh, some perfect places to stop here, but like I said, the sun is going down, and I'm about 40 minutes from home. So I just took the opportunity and flew it, but something new to learn. I'm sure there'll be some sort of disaster with it at some point. Yeah, and just to let you know, actually, I did get my licence done. I wanted to do it properly, and like if ever I'm out and get questioned by anybody, or oh, you're doing the wrong thing, or you know, people will love to hate drones. I'm going to try my best not to upset anybody with it. So all being well, that'll never be the case. So just moseying on home. Like I said, short one today, really short one. I just literally wanted to get out, show you the drone, tell you about it, and that is that basically. Doug is coming up for his second service. He's just coming up 3,000 miles, which isn't bad going. I've only had him since the end of February. So we've had some really nice adventures this year, and long may it continue. But yeah, I want to keep up with his warranty, so I shall put him in for a proper service, which grieves me a little bit because I could do it myself, but let's keep that warranty going. Yeah, so there'll be that coming up. There's a couple of bike nights left. I might take you along to a few of those, the local ones. But you know, it's face up, it's coming to the end of the season and the winter, and that really sucks. You know, it's always a hard time for us bikers, but I will do my best to carry on getting out and still having the few adventures, as long as it's safe to do so. Oh, my ears have just popped because I'm on a steep hill. It's hard to concentrate. Hang on, let me just yawn. There we go. Oh, I can hear again. Sorry about that. So if you liked this rather short little upload, they haven't all got to be epic, have they? Let's face it, this is real life. I live in real life. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, and be ready for the next Doug and drone adventure. Until then, please ride safe, and see you next time.